Welcome to StealthLion's presentation of inbound marketing. My name is Greg Curcio, co-founder of StealthLion. On the most basic level, inbound marketing is about bringing people to your website. There are two ways we're going to look at traffic as far as inbound marketing is concerned. You have paid traffic and organic traffic. There are two avenues for paid traffic. Direct ad buys, which are kind of like a traditional billboard advertising. You're buying a spot on someone else's website and bringing traffic through clicks on their website to your website. And then the other avenue is pay-per-click advertising, which is a science unto itself. We love PPC because every dollar that a client spends can be tracked and optimized on a weekly basis. It offers an instant boost to somebody's business to drive traffic to their website from day one. In the world of PPC advertising, there are two main avenues. You have Google AdWords and Facebook advertising. Google AdWords is the largest and most robust pay-per-click advertising platform there is. It allows you to target people that are ready to buy or looking for your exact service. It allows businesses to only pay when users visit their site by clicking their advertising. The great tools behind Google AdWords allows businesses to track sales, conversions, and calls to know exactly where their marketing dollars are going. Facebook advertising is like Google AdWords' little brother in the PPC world. It doesn't quite have the robust suite of tools that Google AdWords has, but what it's lacking in tools, it makes up for in the number of people that are using its platform. Facebook advertising is a great tool when you want to build your brand awareness, and it's also cost effective at this point. Facebook, you can get clicks for pennies on the dollars of what Google AdWords is. And the suite of tools that Facebook has been improving on a month by month basis. They're building that up. So now that we've looked at paid traffic, let's look back at organic traffic and see what kind of details that involves. So when we're looking at organic traffic as part of our inbound marketing plan, we're referring to content creation. But before we begin with content creation, we first have to make sure our website is set up for it. This is something we refer to as on-page SEO. It's making sure all of the architecture of your website is set up to be found in the most effective way. And it's also part of the user interface, so people that do come to your website find it easy to digest it and share it with other people among social networks. So now, assuming that our website is ready for users to come to it, we can begin to create content. The most important part about creating content is making sure it's good content. The content should be something that is real value that you're offering to the people that are coming to your website. One of the most common pieces of content is blogs, writing articles that your user will find interesting. But once you have your blog and your articles, there's no reason you shouldn't utilize those in other ways. So maybe you have a really popular article and you turn that into a really good YouTube video on the same topic, because some people are visual and some people like the extra ad to see who's talking, and maybe you can show some pictures and examples. But then you can also start a Google Plus Hangout or a community about the topic, maybe gather a lot of information and open it up to discussion with your community. Spreading it among Twitter, posting it on Facebook, really trying to engage those users. If it's something very visual and something that might appeal to the Pinterest crowd, why not share it there too? There's tons of options. There's more and more options every day. And then if you're creating an email list on your website, like you should, it's a great tool. You can send out a newsletter maybe once a week, once a month, and share those articles or those videos that you've created. Just really utilize that time that you put into creating that great content. And naturally, just from creating great content and stuff that people want to share with their friends, you'll build links to your website, and links help Google and other search engines get an idea about how important your website and how high it should show up on Google's search engine results. There's a lot of tactics and strategies that go into link building. Some of them are writing guest posts on other people's websites or scanning other websites in your niche that might have broken links to articles and writing an article that might be better suited and suggesting to the webmaster that they should point this link to your website rather than the broken website. These are just some of the tactics that inbound marketers will use to build traffic to a customer's website. Every customer and every need is unique. So talking with an inbound marketer and seeing exactly what fits your business may make a lot of sense. And if you're interested, I encourage you to contact us and see what we can do for you. Thank you.